Are you getting this Ubisoft error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to run Ubisoft as administrator. So in your Windows search, simply look for Ubisoft and right click here, and you just need to click on run as administrator. So just tap on this run as administrator. So the next step is to use VPN. You can use any useful VPN service. So this is the free VPN, urbanvpn.com, which you can use. You can download it from here, or you can use for Proton VPN. It is also free of cost available. So the next step is to delete some storage space from your PC. You can go to your C drive or D drive, wherever you have. You can right click here and you can check your storage space and make sure to delete it. You can go for properties and see how much storage you have used already in your PC. You can see, so I have used 83 GB and 47 GB is still free for me, so I will still delete something from my PC. So you can free up your space from your C drive, D drive, or any main drives in your system. So the next step is turn off Windows firewall. So for this you can simply go to your Windows search and look for firewall. Open Windows Defender firewall. So after opening Windows Defender firewall, you need to click on this option, turn Windows Defender firewall on and off, and from here you just need to turn this option off, and also turn this option off from here, and just click on this OK option. So you can simply restart your PC and see whether this issue get resolved or not. I hope you know how to restart your PC, and if it does not work, you can simply uninstall Ubisoft from your PC, and you can simply reinstall it. You can go to control panel to uninstall it. Make sure to uninstall it completely. Click on uninstall a program, and from here you need to select Ubisoft and you need to uninstall it completely from your system. So here is a Ubisoft. Just click on this, select this Ubisoft and click on this uninstall option. After that, go to google.com and download Ubisoft here, and make sure to open Ubisoft Connect official website of Ubisoft only. Do not download it from any external website. So you can download Ubisoft from here on the official website. You can see at the top the option is showing. You can download it from here. So after downloading it, make sure to restart your PC and see whether this issue get resolved or not. And in case you face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I will make sure to give you a reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.